What I'm telling you is the principle of it is every relationship is two human beings talking. If we're gonna pick up the phone and call the FBI, you're talking to an individual who's got a life, who studied to become an FBI agent, who has hopes and goals, he has problems in life, he's got issues, and when you talk to him or her as a human being, they respond as a human being. This is so important in life. Once you go past the, oh my gosh, I gotta call Costco to see if they will take that space, you're gonna talk to an individual, and if you click and go from them representing a company to them as a human being, it's a whole different level of relationship. We talk about relationships, and it's the common denominator between being happy and being wealthy is relationships and networking. Learn to dial into the person and say, I care about you, tell me a little bit. And that phone call was life-changing for me. Today, as I fast forward, they've been with me now 13 years. I'll show you an email at lunch from Laura. Hey Cherif, how are you? By the way, there is a problem with this. I know you'll handle it, just let me know. Completely friendly. When it came time to renew, Cherif, can you call me? I called her, I was at the airport. I was standing at an airport. I know it's gonna be an easy call. How are you? I have my notes about Laura. How is your daughter? We talked so many years later when her daughters grew up, and she was driving, her oldest daughter, and she was telling me, oh, she's driving me crazy. And another touch and base when now her daughter is in Spain and she's going to college, and how incredible life has been. We cannot believe that in 13 years, I now have been with her talking when her kids were little, went to college, drove a car, went to college, and now she misses her older daughter because she's in Spain. Just an amazing thing. Do you know how great that is for Tommy Hilfiger and me? Are you going to renew? Yeah. I send you the renewal. Let's do it this way, this way. Okay, just send me the addendum. You're going to draft it? Cherif, you draft it. I was in the committee and they said there was an issue. I told them, Cherif is my friend, let me call him. She doesn't even want to put it in writing. Just handle this. So this is huge. And in a company like Sunglass Hut, they're so big. You talk to one person, you call them again, she moved, she got promoted, another person came. So you keep it very professional and distant. But in a company that you're building rapport with somebody is huge and very beneficial.